Hello everyone, Jeff here, Unique Model Creations, back again with yet another video on the build process of the 1350 TOS USS Enterprise. And what we've got here, pretty much the starboard section is complete. Nearabouts. I've tacked on temporarily the dorsal section that comes with the pilot edition pack that you can buy for this model kit. And it already comes molded in blue, so those who are wanting to build a model right out of the box without very much painting, you can go ahead and do that. With no lights as well, because, you know, with lighting you have to do a fair amount of light blocking and stuff, and yeah, it helps as far as like exterior without having to paint. You just want to build it up. Of course, you have all the different windows that come with it. You have some black and some white to simulate lit windows. But for my case, of course, I'm lighting it. And but yeah, just had that sitting on the shelf forever, and I wanted to see how these spots would how they're bathing up the dorsal section. And so I put it on there temporarily. So you pull back and you just got this view of the port and starboard sides separate, but it almost looked like I'm building two. That would be cool. Maybe one day when I got two at one time that I can build, possibly, but yeah, not right now. But yeah, we are almost there. And you're taking a look at that. Just imagine those sandwiched together on just the one display stand, and that will be it. Like I said, that's just temporary, so easy knockoff, and then but that lets me see what that's going to look like on that there with the lit windows. Just it's pretty. It's pretty. I like it. So the only thing that's really left on this is putting in a couple of windows right there. The model does come with indentions. You look on the interior of it. Let's see if I can do this here without shocking the crap out of myself, yeah, or making anything full. But if you look, yeah, right there, there is one. That hole that is not drilled all the way through as yet, but that is a space for an additional window. And right beside that light is that porthole that I have drilled out, and where I intend to add a window right there. And see, that's cool. Yeah, that'll be different. A little bit of asymmetry. More windows. I like windows. And that'll work just fine for me. No problem at all. If this was being designed and built right now, yeah, it would have more windows. We want to look outside. But other than that, and also as well to the left and right of the ion pod, do a couple of little bitty, itty bitty fiber optics to go to the left and right of there. The same as I have over here already. I'm not sure what color I'm going to do those, but they are there and they are ready to go. Of course, the ion pods will flash, and they will flash white on this model this time. And on the previous build that I had, they strobed. I had UV lights in there, and they were the strobing lights. And then, of course, just to the port and starboard sides of the saucer, you have the nav lights, and that was it. This kit will have far more strobing, and nav pretty much the same, just on the forwardmost portion of the saucer, I will have navs up there as well, similar to the refit. But other than that, yeah, we're going to nav and strobe this starship out. It's going to be really, really cool, I hope. But that is the current state of this model. This is a short little video just to show that I have been getting out here, as I said, in this shop while the spring break, while I had time, and while I had, yeah, pretty much while I had time, more time, and get out here and get working on this model, because for Ferric's sake, it's been out here for way too dang long, and it needs to get completed. So there she is. There's our status. We will continue to go forth, build on this model. Those of you out there building, keep building. If you're not yet, pick up something and throw it together. Kind of like I did that right there. 1537th. Refit Enterprise. Just no lights, anything like that, just throwing it together just to get back to see what it's like to finish building a model kit. Every part is on there, every piece, just a little sanding, and then we're going to do a little bit of painting and then a little bit of and get the decals on, and that's going to be it. Just nice little simple to show myself that I still can finish something and it not take years. So, but yeah, we will keep doing that, and peace and prosperity to everybody. Stay safe, be kind to each other, love each other. We've only got one planet. There's only one group of us. Y'all take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.